Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on Bybit app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. So now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on the screen. And if you want to buy USDT on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you need to tap on the deposit, which is at the left side of the withdraw. So let's select the deposit option, and you can see there is three options in here: buy with NPR, P2P trading, and deposit crypto. So the most simple way is by going through it to tap in on the P2P trading. So once you tap on the P2P trading, you can see there is three sellers available in here. So you can also see there is crypto option, so USDT, USDC, BTC, and ETNs. So let's tap on the USDT. Let's select the USDT for now, and you can choose any of the seller from here. And once you tap on the seller, you simply need to communicate with them. And once you verify yourself and once you complete your transaction, you will be able to buy USDT on Bybit successfully. So basically this is how you can buy USDT on Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.